As indicated by the most recent long-haul conjecture, Axie cost will hit $8 toward the finish of 2023 and afterward $9 by the center of 2024. Axie will ascend to $10 inside the time of 2026, $12 in 2027, $15 in 2028, and $20 in 2033. Axie value expectation 2023 to 2024 Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $6.22, so the cost expanded by 4% from the very start of the year. The estimated Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $8.50 and the year-to-year change plus 42%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 37%. In the principal half of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $9. In the last part, the cost would lose $1.12 and close the year at $7.88, which is plus 27% to the ongoing cost. The conjecture for later, close to days and months. Monday, November 27, $6.29. Tuesday, November 28, $6.35. Wednesday, November 29, $6.42. Thursday, November 30, $6.48. Friday, December 1, $6.55. Saturday, December 2, $6.61. Sunday, December 3, $6.68. Monday, December 4, $6.74. December 15, $7.46. January 15, $8.54. February 15, $8.63. March 15, $8.71. April 15, $8.79. May 15, $8.87. Axie expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring a critical increment. Axie cost would move from $7.88 to $17.70, which is up 125%. Axie will begin 2025 at $7.88, then, at that point, take off to $8.24 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $8.72. That implies plus 40% from today. Axie forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $17.70 to $20.62, which is plus 16%. Axie will begin 2030 at $17.70, then take off to $17.85 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2030 at $18.92. It is about plus 204% from today. Axie value forecast 2023 to 2024 Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $5.36, so the cost diminished by 11% from the very start of the year. The gauge Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $6.40 and the year-to-year change plus 7%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 19%. In the main portion of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $6.78. In the final part, the cost would lose 84 cents and close the year at $5.94, which is plus 11% to the ongoing cost. Axie forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring a huge increment. Axie cost would move from $5.94 to $13.32, which is up 124%. Axie will begin 2025 at $5.94, then take off to $6.21 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $6.57. That implies plus 23% from today. Axie forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $13.32 to $15.51, which is plus 16%. Axie will begin 2030 at $13.32, then, at that point, take off to $13.43 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2030 at $14.24. It is about plus 166% from today. 10/15/2023 Axie value forecast 2023 to 2024 Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $4.28, so the cost diminished by 29% from the outset of the year. The determined Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $5.50 and the year-to-year change 8%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 28%. In the principal half of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $5.80. In the last part, the cost would add 36 cents and close the year at $6.16, which is plus 44% to the ongoing cost. Axie forecast 2025 to 2029 these 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $6.16 to $11.43, which is up 86%. Axie will begin 2025 at $6.16, then take off to $6.43 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $7.59. That implies plus 77% from today. Axie forecast 2030 to 2034 in this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $11.43 to $15.20, which is plus 33%. Axie will begin 2030 at $11.43, then take off to $12.16 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2030 at $12.89. It is about plus 201% from today. 10/1/2023 Axie value forecast 2023 to 2024 Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $4.60, so the cost diminished by 23% from the very outset of the year. The determined Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $5.69 and the year-to-year change 5%. The ascent from today to year-end. In the principal half of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $6. In the last part, the cost would add 37 cents and close the year at $6.37, which is plus 38% to the ongoing cost. Axie forecast 2025 to 2029 these 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $6.37 to $11.82, which is up 86%. Axie will begin 2025 at $6.37, then, at that point, take off to $6.65 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $7.85. That implies plus 71% from today. Axie expectation 2030 to 2034 in this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $11.82 to $15.74, which is plus 33%. Axie will begin 2030 at $11.82, then, at that point, take off to $12.58 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2030 at $13.33. It is about plus 190% from today. 9/15/2023 Axie value expectation 2023 to 2024 Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $4.74, so the cost diminished by 21% from the very outset of the year. The determined Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $6.17 and the year-to-year change plus 3%. The ascent from today to year-end? Plus 30%.